Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discovery Boss, back with Rush more reviews. So we're back at the apartment, Parkhurst 1. That's what we're covering today. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free and you'll get to see more of these awesome content as well. Definitely turn on your bell notification so once I do an upload, you'll be notified as well. If you want to donate to the channel, all that is in the description. We have PayPal and other banking information, and we're definitely trying to get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of May. So I appreciate everyone commenting on the video, sharing the video, and liking the video as well, because that will help the video to spread. So as I mentioned, we're at Parkhurst 1 today. I did a video on this before, well, 2 videos on this before. I'll put that in the description and the comments. But today we're gonna get a chance to get a quick look inside of Parkhurst 1, so you guys will get to see some glimpses of the room and other areas of the rooftop pool, the terrace, and other amenities as well. So it's a very quick video, so it's not the most detailed inside look. It's not the most steady camera as well, and it's not the most in-depth review because the building is still under construction. It's not yet finished, but I was able to get some glimpses of the inside of the property. Once they're finished and everything is spick and span, I'll try to get a very good review of the entire property as well, similar to what I did with 20 South, which is right beside Parkhurst 1. This is 20 South over here, so they're like sisters. The amenities are very similar as well. I also did a complete review on 20 South when it's completely finished, and everything was nice. I'll put that in the comments and description as well. So this is Parkhurst 1. I did the video already, so this is really the introduction. So it's really some glimpses of inside, not a very complete top quality review, not a very complete top quality tour, but at least I'm still able to share with you guys how inside look as well. Alright, so inside I have a rooftop pool. I think you can probably see a glimpse right there in the middle with that glass. So that's the rooftop pool. It will also have a glass bottom as well. They have elevator. They have a garbage chute as well, so you don't have to come downstairs to the garbage. There is a garbage chute. So once you guys see that, let me know once you identify that garbage chute in the video. Pretty unique to me, but very convenient as well. There's a garden rooftop area. So let me know what you guys think. So this is the outside look before you see the inside. There's a bright red color in the middle with some gray and brown finishes. So definitely let me know, guys, what you think about the color, the design, and once you guys get to see a glimpse of inside, share your thought as well. So this is the entrance of Waterloo Road. So this is mainly for residents. The other entrance is off Surbiton Road. I'll show you guys that entrance as well. So that's Waterloo Road up the street there, and again it's right beside 20 South. I guess we can call it 20 South sister. Alright, so it's still under construction, guys. About another 3 to 4 months left. And then, as I mentioned, 20 South is right beside it over this side. Alright, so this is the front view, guys. This is off Surbiton. This is from the other side. This will be the main entrance for guests and everybody else. So you get a better look from this side as well. I'll also go up a little bit closer. So this is Parkhurst 1. In a minute we'll go inside. As I mentioned, that video is already finished, or I did it already, so this is really the intro I'm doing now. Alright, so right there will be the main gate, main entrance. As I mentioned, residents will have underground parking, and they're fixing up the perimeter wall. So this is Parkhurst 1. Then we have 20 South right beside it, so they're basically neighbors. Alright, so this leads into a cul-de-sac, so the road ends here. So you have some residential houses. So Jamaica National is the financing bank. Alright, so it's really just finishing up work for Parkhurst 1, probably another 2 to 3 months. But mainly interior work, interior decoration, work on the apartments. That's mainly what they're doing now. And then this road leads back out to the main. So this road leads back out to the main. Alright guys, let's take a look inside now.
And the view would be the same. The only difference is that you get a little bit of South Avenue. A little bit of 20 South. Oh, it's to the front. So you get 20 South, that's a little bit.
the pool right there. And that's turn it south.